Dear all, Namaste. Today I am going to discuss how to calculate response of a continuous time system. For this purpose, let us consider a standard equation to describe a continuous time system. Continuous time systems are described by using differential equation. So here I am taking a differential equation that is of general form. So dy by dt to the power m and reducing it one by one and then going to up to the n terms of this differential equation. Similarly, equal to bn minus m t to the power m xt dt to the power m bn minus m and so on up to bn xt. Anyway, there are n terms in the equation for yt and n terms in the equation for xt, and the order of the differentiation is m here. Note that here a and b are the constants, multipliers, scalar quantities that are multiplied to the differential terms. Okay. Now here, if it is important to note that if this order of the differentiation, if it is less than number of terms, then the system will be bounded input and bounded output stable system. Otherwise, it will not be a stable system. Stability helps us to reduce the noise in the system. Okay. This is the one understanding. Now, our main objective in this discussion is to calculate the response of the system. So, let me tell you that the response of the system can have two parts. First part is zero input response. Second part is zero state response. Zero input response is the response when all inputs of the system are set to 0. On the other hand, the zero state response is the response when initial states of the system are set to 0. Initial states means all inputs that are applied to the system are applied to the system and all the initial values are set to 0. Just understand. One response is that when inputs are 0, initial conditions are present. One response is that when the inputs are present, initial conditions are 0. Okay. So, the combination means combinedly these two responses represent total response of the system. Therefore, total response of the system is addition of zero input response to zero state response. Simple. It's simple. There's nothing difficult. Anyway, is it okay till now? If you have understood this, let us go further. How to calculate the response? The total response of the system can be obtained by the following three methods. Number one method, first method is that apply the classical method of solving differential equation. So there are many methods in mathematics. You have already studied. You can apply those methods and you can find out the solution of the differential equation, and that solution will represent the response of the system. Second method is by application of frequency transform like Fourier transform or Laplace transform to the system and then finding out the solution. Third method is by method of convolution integral. By these three methods you can find out the response of the system. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you all. Thank you very much for watching this video. Like and subscribe the channel.